Welcome to Increase English 2.0. Let's learn together. Subscribe now. I go to the supermarket. I go to the supermarket. The supermarket is big. The supermarket is big. I buy food there. I buy food there. I take a cart. I take a cart. I walk in the store. I walk in the store. I take a basket. I take a basket. I buy a bottle of milk. I buy a bottle of milk. I buy a bottle of juice. I buy a bottle of juice. I buy a bag of sugar. I buy a bag of sugar. I buy a bag of rice. I buy a bag of rice. This is on sale. This is on sale. I buy bread. I buy bread. I buy a box of cookies. I buy a box of cookies. I buy meat. I buy meat. I buy a box of eggs. I buy a box of eggs. I buy cheese. I buy cheese. I go to the checkout. I go to the checkout. I need help. I need help. Can you help me? Can you help me? I wait in line. I wait in line. I put items on the belt. I put items on the belt. I pay cash. I pay cash. I pay by card. I pay by card. The cashier is kind. The cashier is kind. I pack my bags. I pack my bags. The bag is full. The bag is full. I carry my bags. I carry my bags. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I pay with my phone. I pay with my phone. The supermarket is near my home. The supermarket is near my home. I feel happy. I feel happy. Thanks for watching. To increase your English skills, don't forget to subscribe to Increase English 2.0. Click here to watch more, and see you in the next video.